This is how I went break even today on Nasdaq day trading. Let's get right into this trade recap. Let's not waste any time. Lock in. This thing is all holy fucked up. All right. Lock in for the motherfucking trade recap. Let's go. I took two longs. Both got stopped at break even. I made like $100. I could have passed the account today, but yeah, here's the proof. Two trades, both stopped at break even. Unfortunately, but it's what it is. I guess there were some mistakes. But I mean, we'll get into it, man. We'll get into it as always. So we just took all-time highs right now, which is what I was expecting. Maybe not for today. I wasn't expecting that for today, but I mean, it was looking very likely. So I was expecting at least these highs. But let's get into. So basically, just completely for the bias, I was pretty bullish. If you just look at this shit, like, brother, look at this shit. Tap here, even on the daily, man. Like, it's just such beautiful, just respecting price action here. Especially here on the 4 hour, we have this 4 hour order block that got created Wednesday. We come up, we make it, and we tap into it yesterday, or literally today before market opened. We tap it, and we're displacing out of it right before market open right here. Very fucking, that made me just insta bullish, just, yeah. Even though we had SMT like here, SMT here, SMT here, I wasn't really worried about that. Because I was following the trend. I was following the trend, man. And yeah. We had 8:30 news. All this shit. At 8:30. Right here, we made a big wick. Put in news data lows, news data highs. We took the highs immediately, and the lows we waited before. I mean, we did this at 9. Well, we came up, took this. I was still bullish here because they didn't. We took this high. And filled like a 30-minute gap here. But because we didn't put in an SMT on this high, and this high, look, it's not an SMT, which made me bullish because, yeah. Even though I knew it was gonna come a retracement, I knew this. So yeah, we come down, take London lows into this 15-minute gap, just super beautifully. Create an SMT off that, take out news data lows. On market open, we continue to just build price action, or we kind of just consolidate here a little bit. We inverse this, we come down, and then we bull run. This is a trade I could have taken. Right here. I just didn't feel comfortable with it, honestly. Like 10 minutes into market open. Or, I mean, I guess this is the thing I kind of should have taken. But what I was looking for is a retracement in here. So I would have probably taken this if we came down even further, if we came down into here. Then I would have taken it. But, yeah. I just didn't take it off. Only SMT and SMT bias and just because the 5 minute is still, if you look at the 5 minute, it's still just in a free fall. Like, yeah, we're coming out a little bit, but we're still close below here and all this. I was just not. I don't want to risk that, It's just unnecessary to me. 10 minutes into market open, But yeah, we bull run. My god, I'm clicking all the wrong shit, man. Okay, we bull run. We come up. What is this fucking blue line, bruh? Why the fuck is this here? I don't know. Whatever. We come up. Basically, after this, I'm only looking for a 1 minute entry after all of this fucking bull run. Oh, yeah, this is a 2 minute, whatever. Yeah, but after all this displacement, I'm only looking for a 1 minute entry up to these highs because, I mean, I'm not going to get a 5 minute retracement. If we would, that would be good. But, like, the way we're moving, it's just, like, we just moved, like, 100 ticks in, like, 1 second here. Like this. Boom, boom. It just shot up. And, yeah. So we have this 1 minute gap right here that gets formed. I was looking for an order block here to form maybe, but it didn't really form. Or, like, it's right here. But I missed that because it only went like this. So you can't take it. And then, but it came up, closed, inverse this gap. We inverse all of these gaps. This is the closest gap. We come back into it to respect the inverse. I enter on that basically. Put my stop under the third candle of this farewell gap pattern. So under here, boom, take profit at these highs. These highs right here. Or it wasn't this high, but I pulled it a little further because to get the full amount. Let's see. I'll explain it here. Can I go on even smaller? Yeah. Enter on this. Yeah, 30 contracts. And to get 1,500, I needed to make 1,500. That's basically it. That's what I needed to pass the account. My take profit needed to be up here. So yeah, I put it here. And I trailed my stop along. So we instantly showed up. We actually edged these highs. We took it on ES. ES is just bull running at this point. So we are creating an SMT and we're edging these highs. We come down for a little bit of a retracement. It comes down and taps my trailed stop loss, which kind of sucks. So that's why I lost this. Well, I didn't lose, but I lost in profit. Yeah, I trailed my stop loss to here. Basically same. We inverse this. Like we inverse this gap. I just put it under here, or it was after this. After this, we inverse this gap. I put it under the third candle. Whatever. I just thought it was gonna fly through, which it basically did. But yeah, it comes down, stops me out to buy like one tick. Real fucking annoying. Can't find an entry again. Until here, we make this. We make this order block. Here, we come down into it. I enter on that just to pull it to these highs because I believe we're going like at least here, maybe all-time highs here, which we indeed did. And after this first candle, I just placed my stop loss at break even here because I didn't want it to fuck me up. I didn't want to lose more. That's just it. So I took this just in case we were just gonna fly through here and push through all of this, which we didn't really. It slowed down, got choppy, came back down into here, and then we go bull run here, which is unfortunate, but kind of stuff that just happens, man. It's just kind of stuff that you can't really control. This was only like this got a pretty ass risk reward, but it was basically break even, so whatever. That's about it, I think. Yeah, man. The only thing I would learn from this is like just trust the fucking process, especially with this trade. Especially with this trade, man. I should just fucking walk away. Like just walk away. Like look how price is moving. Yeah, of course it's gonna wanna come down here. Of course it's gonna come down in here, man. And then like if it takes my stop loss or not, whatever. At least we come down, like it protects me, you know. So yeah. Kind of annoying, stopped out in profit, but that's just what happens sometimes, man. I should be more careful trailing my stop next time. And that's about it, man. Hopefully I pass this account tomorrow. We have 10 a.m. news. We'll see if I take a trade tomorrow. So yeah, that's about it, man. That's about it. Enjoy your day, guys. Enjoy your day.